How to deposit checks on TD Bank. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Let me move into one of the official article, which is going to guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can deposit checks. Let's say this is one of the article. So this article gonna help you out. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to your application, TD Bank, and then log into your account. Once you have logged in, tap on Deposit Check at the top right corner. At the bottom, you will see the option of Register. Click on it, and then tap on Accept. You will see a message confirming your successful registration. Now tap on Deposit Check. Once you have clicked on it, tap on Select to Account. You have to choose the account where you want to deposit the check. Once you have selected the specific account, enter the amount that you want to deposit. Now what you want to do is, you have to upload both the front side and the back side of the check. Once you've uploaded the pictures, the next thing you want to do is click on Finish Deposit. And there you go, your check has been deposited successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.